If you're seeing a Lucidchart error 404, don't worry, in most cases this is a document access issue, a broken link, or a browser session problem, and it can usually be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step so you can get back into your diagram without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, understand what a Lucidchart 404 error usually means. It often happens when the file was deleted, moved, or renamed, or when the URL you're using is no longer valid. Sometimes the file is still there, but your browser is loading an old session or a bad cached version of the page. So the first thing we want to do is confirm that the document still exists. Start by logging into your Lucidchart dashboard and checking your workspace. Look carefully through your folders and make sure the diagram is actually still available. If you can't find it right away, check the trash folder on the left side of the menu because the file may have been deleted accidentally and might still be recoverable. If someone else shared the document with you, ask them to confirm that the share link is still active and that the permissions haven't changed. If the document exists and the link still looks right, the next step is to test it in an incognito or private browsing window. This is one of the best ways to tell whether the issue is with the file itself or with your browser. Open a private window, go back to Lucidchart and sign in again. Then try opening the same diagram. If it loads in incognito mode, that's a strong sign that the issue is caused by cached data, cookies, or a browser extension in your regular session. If that happens, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, and choose the option to clear browsing data. Make sure you select a broad time range like all time so everything outdated gets removed. After that, close your browser completely and reopen it before trying Lucidchart again. This refreshes the session and clears out old data that may be forcing the 404 error. Now, if the error still appears, check for conflicting extensions. Things like ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and VPN extensions can interfere with Lucidchart's network requests. Disable your extensions one by one, then refresh the page and test the file again. If you're on a work or school network, try disconnecting from your VPN temporarily and see whether the file loads normally. Sometimes the network itself is blocking part of the connection. If the problem only happens with one specific diagram, the file may have corrupted session data. In that case, go back to your Lucid workspace, find the broken document, click the three-dot menu, and choose Duplicate. Then open the duplicated copy instead of the original. This often gives you a clean version of the file without the broken session state. If the duplicate opens correctly, you found a simple workaround and can keep working from the new copy. If none of those steps work, try opening the file from a different browser or a different device. That can help confirm whether the issue is tied to your current browser setup. You should also make sure Lucidchart is fully updated and that your browser is running the latest version. Small compatibility issues can sometimes create strange loading errors that look like a 404. So to recap, the fastest way to fix a Lucidchart error 404 is to verify the document exists, test it in incognito mode, clear your cache and cookies, disable conflicting extensions, and duplicate the diagram if only one file is affected. In most cases, one of those steps will get you back into your document right away. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.